Presenting the E-Jet series of rotary split air conditioner from Super General, designed to be robust and to deliver exceptional cooling performance in extreme weather conditions of the Middle East. This split unit is amicably quiet, even at high cooling levels. The powerful yet efficient rotary compressor requires minimal maintenance and saves you money on utility bills. It uses the environment-friendly R410O refrigerant to ensure optimal cooling. E-Jet series comes with multiple advanced features to optimize cooling and efficiency. The gold fins have an anti-corrosive golden coating and effectively prevent bacteria breeding while improving heat transfer efficiency. Turbo mode helps reach the desired room temperature more quickly. The four-way swing mode ensures an even distribution of air throughout the room. Follow Me mode senses the room temperature on the remote instead of the indoor unit and adjusts both airflow and temperature accordingly. The unit also has features such as high density filter, sleep mode, auto restart and a self-cleaning mode. The unit will stop automatically if any refrigerant leakage is detected, preventing damage to the compressor. Super General offers complete range from 12,000 BTU, 1 ton, to 36,000 BTU, 3 ton, to suit your cooling needs. E-Jet series air conditioners from Super General. Super experts at cooling.